So the next condition is if one root is greater than k2 and the other root is less than k1. So if you go to the graph, let us say that you have two numbers k1 and k2. I want one root to be less than k1, that is one root have to be on this side, and the other root has to be greater than k2, that other root has to be on that side of k2. So if this is so, how do we get the conditions which ensure that this happens? So the first condition for this is a discriminant greater than or equal to 0. And the second condition is the graph has to cut x-axis at these 2 points. So how will I ensure that the graph cuts at these 2 points? Simply by making f of k1 and f of k2 both have to be negative. If f of k1 and f of k2 both are negative, so in some way, so you can always get a graph like this. So you cannot have a root between k1 and k2 if both f of k1 and f of k2 are negative. So these two conditions have to be applied on transformed equation. That is, after making the coefficient of x square as positive. If it is already positive given in the question, then you don't need to do anything. If it is not, you have to ensure that this leading coefficient is positive before applying these conditions.